Welcome back, Royals. Today we are doing a much needed, long overdue bedroom refresh. Before we get started, here's a backstory on this space. It is our guest bedroom, and in the recent year, it has gotten a lot of traffic. We had one of our young queens move out, and we're getting ready to usher another one in, i.e. my niece. So before we get her settled in, I wanted to strip everything down, pull the things out that I'm going to be using to style this room, and I want to do it, guys, with minimal to low cost. So to do so, I enlisted the help of my friends at Lifewit. They are the sponsors of today's video. Guys, you are very familiar with Lifewit because you've seen me use this brand or speak of this brand on various occasions. But this time, I'm so excited to share with you guys this wonderful duvet set in a beautiful gray color. Very lightweight, machine washable, guys, and it is OECA certified, which is a plus for me. So I don't have to worry about any chemicals or any harsh things touching the skins of my guests as they sleep on this duvet. I wanted something lightweight and airy to layer up the bedding so that in the event one guest is cold, they have the option to add on layers. If they're warm, they can simply sleep under this nice airy duvet and have a wonderful night's rest. Here you see it has a beautiful designed zipper insert, so that's going to make it very, very easy to insert, because I will admit I was a little apprehensive about a duvet, as this is my first duvet ever styling with. So I was happy to see that it has a zipper insert so that the installation of the comforter will be easy. So here you see me unzipping it and preparing to get it laid out to insert the duvet. Now guys, I picked up this duvet duvet insert from Ross. It is a down alternative comforter insert, and it is very lightweight and hypoallergenic. So that is a win-win in my opinion. I was going for materials that were lightweight and easy to launder. As my niece would be occupying this space, I wanted something that would be comfortable for her to clean in the event that I cannot or do not. So when you're thinking of styling bedding for a adolescent, a teen, preteen, what have you, this will be a perfect alternative. It comes in a variety of colors. Again, it's machine washable so that they can launder it. This would be ideal for a college dorm or a college apartment, studio apartment, or just a space for, again, an adolescent. Or if a guy wants just something easy to manage and maneuver, this would be definitely ideal. So thanks to Lifewit for sending out this amazingly soft duvet set. And here, guys, as you can see, I simply took the corners and weeded them into each section, getting them end to end and aligning everything up. It was so easy, and I was shocked at how soft and plush it felt once everything was complete. Once I have it fluffed in, you see how easy that was? Just 1, 2, 3, zip it up, and she's done. I am happy about this. Now that I have it all inserted, let's style the bed. To me, there is nothing like a luxurious bedroom to give you a nice, comfortable evening as we retreat from our hard day's work, school, or whatever you have done throughout the day. A nice, relaxing bedroom or bed set just makes a world of difference in my opinion. So all of the sheets have been laundered. They smell amazing. Again, adding to the comfort and looks of a wonderful night. And as you can see, this is an envelope fold on the duvet pillow sham, so that makes it easy to insert as well. Again, something to consider when purchasing items for your children. This will be ideal. So now that I have the 2 layers of the flat sheet and the duvet, let's begin to layer on the luxe, because it wouldn't be a royal design without some luxurious fabrics to coincide, right? So in addition to those 2 layers, I'm going to go ahead and add this beautiful velvet bedding. I picked this up from Walmart, and I've had it for several years, but it has definitely served me well. And just add to that luxe, I'm going to give it a nice little double pleated fold here. Again, it's all about luxe and layers for this refresh. And let's add another layer. Guys, I love adding throws to my bed. It gives a little bit of interest and texture, and it pulls in that nice little hue of pink that we're adding in the space. And giving it a nice little Tootsie Roll twist just for more interest. And what would a bedroom be without pillows? I have to add plush pillows to all of my bedding. I just think it gives a luxe and high-end look and feel to any space. So let's pile them on. Now let's get everything styled up. These gray pillows are from Burlington and they are down feather filled. I inserted some fuller ones just to give it a more luxe look. And guys, these are some of my favorite pillows. They are cute little 18 by 18 pillows that are also down filled. And as you see on one side, it is a Christmas pillow, but on the other side, it is a beautiful platinum and cream spin stripe. It's perfect for this setting. Top it off, this cute little bow pillow with the bling in the middle ties in beautifully with the accessories in the room. And so what I end up with is a nice luxe 50 shades of gray platinum array, and it is so lush and so pretty and fit for a young queen, if I do say so myself. Now guys, I am loving this refresh, but I want to let you know that I will be doing a little bit of a makeover, a facelift, if you will, to the furniture in the room. I absolutely love this furniture. I just couldn't part ways with it. So I'm going to give it a nice facelift to give it a more of a Parisian look and feel. So I need your opinion. Do you think I should go with a metallic cream color paint or a matte white crisp paint? It definitely will be painted, but I just want to hear what your opinions are. So drop your comment. Let me know what you think, what color I should go with. Will it be a metallic or a matte crisp white to tie in the whole look and feel of a Parisian glam bedroom? But I am loving the space so far. Again, special thanks to Lifewit for sponsoring today's video. As you can see, the duvet blends in nicely and adds that extra layer of luxe to the space. And there's nothing like layers of texture and dimension to create an over-the-top glamorous look. Guys, a discount code and link to Lifewit will be found in my description box. Well guys, if you are new here and it's your first time visiting, you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join the royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. And I would love to have you come along and be a part of this royal journey with me. To my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. Please like, comment, and share on this video. It helps me out tremendously. We are on our way to 30K and I need your help to get us there. If you haven't already, connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at RoyalTDesignswithTravina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Also, guys, I have an Amazon store that you can shop 7 days a week, 24 hours a day to your heart's content. There you will find many of the items that I use to style within my home, as well as a few other home essentials I think that will be ideal for any home. Come back, guys, because there is so much more to share. I have a couple more spaces to refresh for the spring season, and you don't want to miss it. I have my owner suite, kitchen refresh, dining room update, and so much more. And I would love for you to come back and join me. So until the next video, guys, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and have yourselves a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.